how small businesses can exploit the digital product and online course trend without breaking a sweat or the bank. Listen, right? If you're a small business owner and haven't yet jumped on the digital product and online course bandwagon, then you're missing out on a golden opportunity to level up your game, right? So let's face it, the world, this big old world, is going digital, right? It's already digital, right? It's gone digital already. It's over, right? Trust me. Now, if you're wondering how to make this trend work for your business, here's a quick guide to getting started with some, humor as we do, some stats and tips that'll make you say, where do I sign up? Listen, but before we do all that, I'm going to break down how small businesses can explore the digital product and online course trend. Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Devon. Put in work, bro. A business funding specialist, online marketer, family man, and fitness enthusiast. Also, the creator of thewealthbuilders.com. That's the Wealth Builders with a Z.com. The business website that will have you making more money, saving more money, building a better you, and get your business funded today. All right, so with that being said, let's get back to how small businesses can exploit the digital product and online course trend. All right, so number one, digital products. The magic of set it and forget it. All right, digital products are like the gift that keeps on giving without any of the awkward holiday family drama, whether it's eBooks, digital artwork, printable planners, or software tools. Digital products have become the bread and butter of many small businesses. But why should you care, right? Well, first and foremost, low overhead. No need for warehouses, shipping labels, or packing peanuts, right? Goodbye to unnecessary clutter. Next, you have unlimited scalability. Once you create it, you can sell it again and again and again and again. It's like having your own little digital assembly line working 24/7. Next, you have global reach. You're not just selling to your neighbors anymore. With digital products, you can tap into a global market. Imagine your best business tips for small business owners, rather. The ebook just flying off the virtual shelves in Tokyo, New York, or Berlin, or Africa, or anywhere, right? Now, the statistics that'll make you sit up and say, I can do that. Listen, according to Grand View's research, a global e-learning market is expected to reach $447.8 billion by 2026. That's nearly a $500 billion opportunity. And yes, you can be a part of it. Also, a report from the Digital Commerce 360 found that in 2020, digital products made up 44% of all online sales. Now, that's a lot of digital downloads happening on a daily basis. And guess what? You can tap into that pool too. Next up, we got number two, online courses. Teach what you know and earn what you deserve, right? Online courses have exploded in popularity. People want to learn new skills, whether it's how to bake the perfect sourdough bread or how to optimize their SEO. As a small business owner, you probably have tons of knowledge that people would love to pay for. So why not turn that expertise into a course? Now, the best part of it all is flexible teaching options. You can host your course on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or even your website. No need for complicated video editing or fancy setups either. Start simple with your phone, a good mic, and some enthusiasm. You're winning, okay? And also, you'll start to get residual income, similar to digital products. Once you create it, it's done. It's your course, right? It's available for sale indefinitely. The best part, you don't have to be there to sell it. It's like hiring a virtual assistant who works around the clock but without awkward small talk. And best believe they have high demand for niche topics. See, online learning has democratized education. Need proof? There are courses for everything from learning how to juggle to mastering coding. Whatever your expertise is, there's a market for it. Now, let's break down some quick stats to back it all up. Did you know that in 2021, the global online learning market was valued at $187.87 billion and is projected to grow at a rate of 15.3% annually? See, people are hungry for knowledge, and they'll happily pay for it. So why not be the one, right? Why can't you be the one? Now, plus, in 2020, a LinkedIn Learning survey revealed that 64% of learning and development professionals plan to offer more online courses. That means your competitors are already getting in on the action. So don't get left behind and don't drag your feet, okay? So now, let's talk about it. How small businesses can dominate the digital product and course space. Now that you're sold on an idea, and if you're not yet, have you been paying attention? Like all the numbers I've been spitting at you? But anyway, here are a few simple ways that you can get started. All right, so identify your niche. What do you do better than anyone else? Whether it's marketing strategies, handmade crafts, or productivity hacks. Find your unique selling point and make it the foundation of your digital products or course. Right now, what you can do is leverage your existing audience. If you got a blog or email list or a decent social media following, that's your fan base already ready to buy. Okay? So don't be afraid to promote your new offerings to them. You've already built trust. Now it's time to cash in, people. Another thing is you create once and sell forever. After putting in work to create your product or course, let it work for you while you take a vacation. Eat pizza on your couch, or go to the gym, or if you're feeling fancy, enjoy a spa day, right? And number 4, there's some common pitfalls I'm gonna need you to avoid. Don't overcomplicate things, okay? Don't let tech overwhelm you. You don't need the fanciest tools to get started. Just pick a simple platform and start creating, okay? Underestimating the importance of marketing is a no-no, okay? You can have the best course in the world, but if no one knows about it, you're just another person talking to their cat or talking to their phone in the middle of the street, okay? Right? No one buys digital products that way unless you promote it, okay? Marketing is key to getting your products seen. So make sure you're sharing them far and wide, okay? That means on your TikTok, on your YouTube, on your Instagram, on X, aka Twitter, wherever you need to post, you need to post. So in conclusion, digital products and online courses are two of the most cost-effective, scalable, and passive income-friendly ways for small businesses to capitalize on the digital world. Whether you're selling that How to Start a Business in 30 Days ebook or teaching people how to make the world's best banana bread, there's a market for your expertise. So what are you waiting for? Get your digital products online. Start creating courses and let your business explode in all the best ways, okay? Without needing to leave your couch. And remember, while others are still figuring out how to mail their products in bubble wrap, you'll be out there selling downloads while sipping coffee in your pajamas. All right? Welcome to the future, my friend. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth with himself, the Devon, putting work, signing on for how small businesses can exploit the digital product and online course trend today. Remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.